से बीच में जाए आपने साइड वाले में
ऐसा होगा
Is a market there today here in New Delhi? In Borgo Market. Borgo Market. And today it looks like it's different from the day I came here first time, and it was so quiet. But now I can see so many people. I think that today is the market day here in Borgo Market. As you can see, like we have hundreds of thousands of people hovering about, doing their market, their business thing and all that. So let's take a look at how this place looks like today in Borgo Market, New Delhi, India.
वीडियो बनाना चाहता है
ब्रांड आ गया भैया कोई नहीं क्या बोला 200 रुपये देना मुझे मेरे सामने
Wow, the crowd is so much. This reminds me.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. How are you? This reminds me Lagos in Nigeria, and it also reminds me it also reminds me Kenya. When I went to Kenya, Nairobi, this is the kind of situation you find in some certain places in Kenya, of course. And but basically, this place reminds me of Lagos so much because of the crowd. You know, if you have been to Lagos before, and if you have been to like Broad Street in Lagos Island, this is the kind of crowd you find here. But the difference is that you are finding different faces. Hello, hi, how are you? Yeah, great to see you. Thank you. You know, like I told you guys the other time that Indian people are really very friendly. Yeah, hello. They are very friendly people, and they make you feel at home. They make you feel free. They make you feel at ease, of course, because once you are passing by, oh, thank you. Once you are passing by, and even if you're not with a camera, people usually talk to you like, once they see that you are a visitor, they talk to you in a very polite, friendly manner. So this is one thing I have to say about my first observation about Indians. They are really very friendly. All right, guys, let's keep going and let's take a beautiful look at this market, how it looks at this point in time. Hi. Hello.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, good. And another thing I noticed, of course, is that when you are in Delhi, you find a lot of street vendors, a lot of street foods, and they all pretty look nice. I've taken a taste of some of the street food I found here, such as pizza. And the taste is just like that you find in any part of the world. And it's really very affordable. You know, so this is the second observation of what I have found in this place, that you'll find street vendors, street food all over the place. And of course, the people are so friendly as well. So let's keep going, guys. Hello. Hi. And this place also reminds me, this section of this market reminds me of Turkey. Yes, if you've been to Turkey, Istanbul, if you've been to where they call tunnel in Istanbul, this is exactly what kind of situation, the kind of chaotic situation that you find around there. And of course, the other side of the market reminds us of Lagos, in Broad Street in Lagos. And without speaking so much, let's keep going, guys, and let's show you the beauty part of New Delhi. Okay, we've come to the end of the street, the end of the market, it seems so. Oh, this is nice. Looks nice. And let's walk a little bit down this way and see if we can find anything amazing, such as what we just saw over there. So let's keep going, guys. Over here you have a beautiful artwork that I was passing by, and I saw that it captivated my eyes, and I decided to take a look at this. Guys, take a look. Are these spiritual arts for prayer? Are these for prayer? Oh, really? Nice. Wow, this is great. So much. Only one. Sorry? Oh, now I understand. It's actually for prayer, like you find in Africa. In Catholic Church, you have some sacramentals. I think this is representing such like sacramental, you know, something that is sacred. But at the moment, this is for sale. And when someone takes it to the temple, it becomes sacred. It becomes something that is like divine.